Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Yvette E. Pearson, host of Engineering Change Podcast. On episode 15, our last episode for the year 2020, I speak with Dr. James Hawley Jr., Assistant Professor of Urban Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics Education at Wayne State University, and Chanel Beebe, PhD candidate in the School of Engineering Education at Purdue University. Among the topics we discussed are the hyper-visible invisibility of Black identities and contributions in STEM higher education.
The concept of hypervisible invisibility, in essence, is this idea of something being treated as invisible, but also being very apparent and ubiquitous. So it's the norm, but it's treated as if it's unseen.
The need for intentionality with respect to how the perspectives of Black engineers and community members are sought and included in engineering education, research, and design.
Because of the tendency toward tokenizing Black stories, the tendency to, make trauma porn out of what our issues are, we wanted to be very intentional with how we presented our stories.
And the inequities that result when engineering fails to serve all of society well.
When I looked at my experience in my community in Detroit, engineering had not served us well. In fact, it put us in a worse position in terms of its product, but also its processes and not valuing our perspective and the ways that we'd be disenfranchised by certain products.
To hear more from Dr. Hawley and Chanel, grab a latte and join us for episode 15 of Engineering Change beginning December 30th. Be sure to subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher, or wherever you get your podcasts, and join me for a new episode every other Wednesday thereafter. Visit engineeringchangepodcast.com for more information or to leave an idea or a question for a future episode. Until then, I look forward to engineering change with you.